24 hours later, we have 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 88 categories signed up in 24 hours for September 1st, Battle of the Barbers Appreciation. That was a exciting 24 hours. I'm excited to see everybody. 88 categories set for September 1st. We could be sold out in like 3 days. I don't know. It's going to be a good show. It's going to be one thing that I see with this free barber battle is probably got about 10 to 12 new barbers who have never battled before. It's definitely going to, it is not too late to sign up. Go ahead and message me. 10 to 12 new barbers coming out for the free battle. Say 8 or 9 of them are going to enjoy themselves. They're going to like the battle, and they're going to go on to the future shows and do that. So this is, might turn into a thing. This might be one free battle every year just to get the new people involved, take away one of their excuses, and introduce them to the Barber Battle vibe. I'm excited. I haven't done a free barber battle since my first barber battle, where I only had about 75 people show up. And today, in 24 hours, I've signed up 88 people, so 88 categories, so probably 50 or 55 people with 88 models. That's off to a good start. Vendors, food, drinks, special guests. I'm going to roll things out. The amazing thing about this is 88 categories sold. I don't even have a flyer out yet. That should be coming out soon. That is pretty amazing. Pretty grateful for you guys. I'm super motivated. As you can see, 24 hours ago, I went live from the Federal Way Barber College. Now I'm going live from the Kingston Beauty Academy. So as you guys know, this is basically what I do. I work every day. I'm talking to barbers every day. I'm trying to do what's right and do what's best for us, and keep moving. I'm excited for all the new people coming out, and ton more announcements coming out. Halloween Havoc's coming out. I got a huge special guest coming, on that Bossio level, the kind of barbers that I want to introduce to the barber battle scene in Washington, and I'm looking forward to it. Thank you everybody for all the support. Please share the flyer when it comes out. Please, if any of your customers are vendors, entrepreneurs, they think they like going to events with a lot of people, please send them my way. I could really use your help finding vendors to pack out more. I have a lot of space for vendors, so let me know. Battle of the Barbers Appreciation, September 1st. Battle of the Barbers Halloween Havoc. Announcement coming soon. I'll see you guys maybe in another 24 hours. We'll see how the updates come. Thank you.